Hey guys, I'm Dave with Crystal Clear Water. I'm here with Kelly, work order 57420. She's saying that Water Medic came over here and basically there's her water pressure right now. That's all she's got. So she called up over there and what they told her was she needed a whole new system. It was going to cost $1,500 to do a complete repack. So basically what we're doing here, she called us to make sure that that's the case. So when I go ahead and bypass our unit right here, you can see the unit cranked up. Okay, that's telling me that she's getting sulfur bacteria buildup. So what we're going to do, she's a single mom, we're going to try to save her some money here. They gave her an option to go ahead and repack this tank for $800. We have an estimate we'll show you. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to go ahead and do a deep cleaning on it, do some chemical cleans, and see what we can do about leaving this in service and getting her that water pressure. Okay, so I'll be right back with you. So we went ahead and opened this here. Okay, it's not that horrible. So what we're going to do, we got a special magic juice we're going to put in there, try to clean it. We're going to power flush it, see what we can do about getting this woman back some good water pressure, saving her some money because she definitely doesn't have $800 to spend or $1,500 to spend in the 5-year-old system. So we'll see what we got. All right, we went ahead and injected some chemicals in both units. So we're going to go ahead and inject it into the house as well and do a little mini sanitation for her, and maybe some of that smell, since she's had her sulfur filter and bypass for the last few days, will go away, because just because we clean the outside unit doesn't mean that her system or her water is going to smell better inside. So we need to run the chemicals on the inside of the house. So we'll get right there. All right, we're waiting for her to put her dogs up. Our type of service, always wear booties. Never go inside someone's house without any booties on. I'm sure everybody appreciates that. All right. So even by fixing the unit on the outside, by chemical cleaning it, that doesn't change the fact that you'd still have smelly water inside the house. So even by fixing your pressure problem outside, you need to run chemicals on the inside. So even if I left and your pressure would be good, your water would still smell because all that nasty water, since it's been in bypass for the last 3 days.
Is it gonna...
So we're doing a sanitation right now. This is what's coming out the faucet. All right, now you can see the system in service, right? Okay, you still got the right stickers on there. So now we'll come over here to her water, on our water main, turn the water on. Got some good, decent pressure now, okay? All right, I'm here with Kelly. Kelly, Water Medic said they quoted you about $1,500 and then another $800. And to go ahead and fix your pressure problem. So what do we do here today?
You did a great job. You just cleaned out the bottle, and it was very, very cheap, $100. And I'm very, very happy.
All right. So will you tell all your friends about Crystal Clear Water?
They're awesome.
How much money did we save you? A lot. Enough to give us a call.
Over $1,000.
Did you make the right choice giving us a call?
Absolutely.
All right. Well, pleasure doing business with you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Thanks.
We went ahead and got a video testimonial. We're getting a online review too on Facebook and on Google. Don't forget, same great quality service, Chill Squad Air Conditioning, as you expect with Crystal Clear Water. So give Crystal Clear Water a call today, 239-201-2074, as well as Chill Squad Air Conditioning, where we do air purification, 239-256-COOL, 256-2665. Have a good day.